Hello once again, this is Dave Knight here at KnightCapitalManagement.com. I want to welcome you once again. It's been a long time since I got on video and actually showed my face on the video. I'm not a real fan of doing video captures, and I'm more of a fan of showing you what I do based upon looking at a chart. It makes more sense to me that way. And in that tune, since I've been receiving a lot of requests over the last few months, I have been and I am starting an educational series based upon the market setups that I like, how I take on the trade, and I'm going to put it all in one place for you. And the website that I'm going to place it in is going to be called daytradingnight.com. It's another blog, but it's day trading and it's night like my last name, the Shining Armor Guy, K-N-I-G-H-T. That's D-A-Y-T-R-A-D-I-N-G. Is that right? T-R-A-D-I-N-G. K-N-I-G-H-T.com. Well, anyway, make a long story short, I look forward to answering questions throughout this, and I hope that the series of educational videos that I put on YouTube and then eventually put to the blog in that one location so that you can see that. You can see some of the trading setups that I like the best, how I handle each different situation. Sometimes I'm only trading for, I guess you could say, a target or a goal. Other times I'm going after, you'll notice on my videos, a concept called ADR, or the average daily range. Other times I'm going to close the gap, or I'm looking for a gap reversal and actually trade. It's not going to close the gap, in other words, and it moves forward. Other times I'm going for a high or a low, or sometimes you're going through a high and into the average daily range. There's all kinds of ways to approach these markets, and I'm going to have a financial concentration. And the markets that I'm going to concentrate are actually in just two markets that I'm going to concentrate in, just to make it easy. That'll be the ZB, or the 30-year Treasury, or the long bond as it's called. And also the other market that I'm going to concentrate efforts in is the ES. That's also called the E-mini S&P, the E-mini, all those names it goes for. The ZB actually trades at $15.625 a tick. Once again, 64 ticks in this case would make $1,000, and that's usually considered what people would call a point in the bonds. Now in the ES, or the E-mini S&P, it trades at $12.50 a tick. Now 4 ticks in that market make that's $50, and so forth. Now obviously you can figure out what $1,000 would be based upon $50 for every 4 ticks. Well, anyway, make a long story short, I look forward to working on this series for you, and I hope it's not only educational and informative, but you'll actually learn something, and hopefully we'll have some fun together as well. I do have other plans as we go forward, but this is just the start of the series of educational videos. I have been asked to put a live chat room together by a bunch of different traders out there, and that's in the works. I want to let you know about that. Don't have any particular plan on when I'm going to start that up right now, but it is definitely in the works. Anyway, this is 3 minutes, and this 4-minute video will be plenty long enough, so let's just call it a day and let me get started on showing you the first series of videos. I want to start working on them most likely starting Thursday or Friday this week, and then I will start trying to put up 1 or 2 videos, I guess a week, explaining the type of trade that I like the best, and hopefully we can learn together and go from there. Anyway, this is Dave Knight at KnightCapitalManagement.com, and the blog that I was talking about is daytradingnight.com. That's DAYTRADINGKNIGHT, like my last name. Daytradingnight.com. That'll be where I will be putting my educational videos. I want to thank you. Last but not least, since I want to plug one book, let's plug Trader's Secrets, Psychological and Technical Analysis, Real People Becoming Successful Traders. There's a gentleman in here called Sheldon Knight, no relation to me that I know of. If he is, he can send me some money. I'm just kidding. But I've actually learned, I guess you could say, I'm a student of the markets. I never would ever consider myself a master trader, although I hear people call themselves all kinds of names. I believe that trading is a journey, and along those roads that we all take as a trader, there are successful roads, there are failures roads, and I hope to help you become a success as well in your trading. Once again, Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management, and I wish you all the best of luck, best of trades, and good luck, everyone. We'll talk to you later. Good night.